Hey friends, this is Bren from Cherry Grove Farmhouse. My kitchen, as you can see, needs a reset, needs some attention. And yes, that is a bottle. We are bottle feeding a calf. The mama had some trouble when she was having it and ended up passing away. So we are taking care of this calf. She was 2 weeks old Saturday, so my husband is still bottle feeding her and will be for a while. So yep, this is a working farm, and that's one of the things that sometimes we have to do, as sad as and unfortunate as it is. But anyway, we have got to get this kitchen straightened out. So if you're in need of some motivation, I'm here for it. Let's go. Of course, I'm going to start off by getting that spot on the counter sanitized so that I can put all my clean dishes there as I'm putting them away. I live in North Georgia, and it's in the weather forecast that we are going to be getting some snow. Yes, I live in the South. Snow is a rare occurrence for us, so we get really excited. And of course, we cannot drive in the snow in the South. We just can't, because we did not learn to drive in the snow. I know I've heard people that are from up north talk about, they went out and they drove in the snow as they were learning to drive to get their driver's license. That's just not a possibility for us people down here in the South. Now, we learned to drive in rain and thunderstorms and things like that, but we just don't have the opportunity to learn how to drive on snow and ice because it's a very rare thing down here. So we do get really excited. We go a little crazy. Sometimes the grocery stores get emptied out. That's just how we do things down here in the South. Love it or hate it. That's just the way it is. But I'm really excited to see if we get some snow. And I'm actually going to put some pictures at the end to let you know how things turned out. I just want to thank you guys for being here, for stopping by, joining me while I'm getting my kitchen put back together. It just makes me so happy, and I'm just so in awe sometimes to see the numbers of my subscribers growing. When I first started this channel, I just had maybe 5 or 6 subscribers, and they were all family members. And then I remember when it grew to 23 and then to 300. It has just been phenomenal, and I'm so appreciative of you guys. But I don't know if I've really talked about this before, but the reason I started this channel is because I love homemaking. I love keeping my house neat and clean and just creating a really cozy and comfy home for my family. That's really a passion of mine. But back during COVID, when my job was remote and I was at home a lot with my family, I had extra time on my hands and I watched a lot of YouTube, as probably a lot of us did. And I started seeing all these ladies that were doing these types of channels, that were homemaking channels and cleaning and cooking and grocery shopping and those kinds of things. And they just really inspired me. One of them is Amy Darley. If you've not checked her out, she is wonderful. I still watch her channel to this day. I get really excited when I'm subscribed to her channel. So when I see one of her videos pop up to let me know that she's put a video out, I get really excited for that. Another one that I have followed very closely is Crystal Tara, and she's wonderful as well. They're kind of different in a lot of ways, but she does a lot of wonderful homemaking content as well. She does a lot of decorating, and that's really inspiring to me. And then there's another one that is Charlotte Grove Farmhouse, and I started following her. She lived actually out west, and they moved to the East Coast and built a house, and so I've been really following her journey as well. So that's just a little bit of background of how and why I started with this channel. And believe it or not, I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and that just kind of blows my mind. But I'm really excited to continue this channel and just to see where God takes me with this, because I give him all the glory. If there's any success in my life, it's all due to God. Today is my oldest daughter's 21st birthday, and so my youngest daughter made her a birthday cake, and she has the choice of whether she wants white or chocolate frosting. So she's going to get that decorated later today for her birthday. So it did snow. It's actually in this video I'm taking right here, it is still snowing currently. We have about 3 inches on the ground, which is a lot for us. And here's my youngest daughter feeding our little calf. We've named her Baby. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.